Which cookware are you going to trust with your family to prepare your amazing meals? Honestly, Teflon, they may appear to be convenient and easy to use, but the reality is they're going to get scratches, and they're going to get a lot of scratches. Once you start getting scratches in your Teflon pan, now you got all those chemicals that's going to get into your food, but not just your food, it's also going to get into your body. So now you got to deal with long-term exposure, right? You may end up having issues with thyroid or even your reproductive system. So you want to be able to keep your body nice and fresh where you're not worried about all those nasty things. So get rid of these Teflon pans and make a massive upgrade into this. This is the YOSUKATA wok made of carbon steel. This wok is made of black carbon steel, 99% iron, only 1% of carbon and minerals. That means it's made of natural materials without harmful chemicals, right? This is non-toxic layer. It can make sure it doesn't get into your food, unlike Teflon. So this is going to be able to have much healthier. Plus, with every cooking session that you do and every time you prepare it with oil, it's going to add on another protective layer for you. When you have that extra protective layer, what happens? It makes it resistant to scratches, plus it's going to be safe to use metal or wooden spatulas on. Even if you do get a scratch on it, what's going to happen over time as you use it and you add more seasoning and more oil in there, it's going to end up creating a thicker layer, and so it's going to actually heal all of those little marks that you might get on there just through normal seasoning and normal stir frying. Stir frying actually is one of the main advantages of the wok itself. It's a fast cook over high heat that preserves the vitamins and texture of products, gives a great rich taste, and it's going to allow the dishes to be cooked in just a few minutes. These woks, they're designed by experts in Asia with comfort, performance, and purity in mind. So whenever the menu is, every detail is designed so that the cooking is safe and it brings pleasure into your kitchen experience. So the first thing you want to do whenever you get your new wok is to make sure to use a mild soap and scrub it. You're going to get all that technical oil off of there. So then you can be prepared to put your seasoning on there. Just make sure that it's dry before you put your seasoning on there. And just a simple paper towel, doesn't take much. And you're just gonna wipe it all in. Look at the shine on this pan. It looks absolutely beautiful. This is such an eye-popping and gorgeous wok. Look at the shine, absolutely stunning. After you get it seasoned, then you're gonna put it on the stove. Start it off on a low temperature and gradually build up the heat. That way you're gonna be able to have that protective coating to make it super non-stick for you. After proper seasoning, the wok is going to become naturally non-stick, and with each cooking, this layer only improves. With Teflon pans, it's the opposite. They're actually going to disappear over time, but with woks, it's the opposite. The more you cook with it, the better natural non-stick you're going to have. Look at it sliding around in there. Nothing is sticking. As you can tell, I can use a metal spatula on there, and I don't have to worry about anything getting scratched up. Nothing is sticking to the pan. Nothing sticks, and you're able to have just a beautiful meal. Look, even on the sides, nothing is sticking anywhere. After cooking, caring for the wok is very simple. Rinse it out with warm water, dry it thoroughly with a towel, and heat it slightly over a low heat, then apply a thin layer of oil over it again. This will keep your wok in a perfect condition for years to come. Say no to these harmful pans with chemical coatings and say yes to a natural and professional cooking with a wok.